everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Benchmark Study. I hope you are doing well और आपके preparations भी अच्छी चल रही होगी। आज हम मैराथन सीरीज का पार्ट 6 करने वाले हैं फॉर द कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस। अगर आपने हमारे बाकी के सेशंस जो है वो नहीं देखे हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको लिंक मिल जाएंगे, आप वहां पे चेक कर सकते हैं। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का सेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज which device is used to segment networks into different subnetworks called subnets? So here answer is option number D, that is इन्हें कहते हैं हम switch. Question number 2 is which topology consists of a single length of the transmission medium onto which the various nodes are attached? So here answer is option number B, that is linear. Linear में आपका example आ जाता है bus topology का. Question number 3 is a dash is a collection of interrelated data stored together to serve multiple applications. So here answer is option number D, इसे कहते हैं हम database. Question number 4 is feature in a database that a user is able to access only the information for she is provided access is known as dash. So इसे हम कहते हैं database abstraction. कि जितनी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें दिखानी होती है यूजर को हम उतनी ही शो करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज द इंटरनेट इज अ वर्ल्ड वाइड नेटवर्क ऑफ द कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स दैट इवॉल्व फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट नेटवर्क डैश. सो हमारा फर्स्ट नेटवर्क कौन सा था? यस, ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर, दैट इज इंट्रानेट. Question number 6 is a dash server dynamically assigns an IP address to each devices on the network. So here answer is option number B, that is इस server का नाम क्या है? DHCP. Question number 7 is LAN cables are also known as, so LAN cable को हम दूसरे नाम से जानते हैं, that is RJ45. So option number B is the correct answer. RJ is the registered jack 445. Question number 8 is a local or restricted communications network created for private network is known as. So इसे हम कहते हैं again intranet. So option number C is the correct answer. Question number 9 is the technique for collecting and managing data from varied sources to provide meaningful businesses insight is known as. So इसे बोला जाता है data warehouses. So option number A is the correct answer. Question number 10 is the number of attributes in a relation is known as. So जो number of attributes होते हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Degree. So option number D is the correct answer. Question number 11 is dash is the phone book of the internet. So phone book क्या होती है internet की? So option number C is the correct answer, domain name system. Question number 12 is the pattern of interconnection of nodes / computers in a network is known as dash. इसे बोला जाता है topology. तो option number B is the correct answer, that is network topology. Question number 13 is in a database duplication of the data is referred as dash. So duplication को हम बोलते हैं inconsistency. So option number C is the correct answer, that is data inconsistency. Question number 14 is which protocol defines how messages are formatted and transmitted over the internet? So it is done by the HTTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So option number A is the correct answer. Question number 15 is the DBMS acts as an interface between which two components? So DBMS connect करता है आपको user को and the database को. So user से basically database को ये connect करता है. So option number C is the correct answer, that is database and user. Question number 16 is dash is the term that describes the large volume of data, both structured and unstructured, that undates our business on a day-to-day basis. So it is known as the big data, जहाँ पे आपका सारा data basically store किया गया है. ठीक है. Question number 17 is the address of a website is also known as. बहुत simple question है. Here answer is option number D, that is URL. So address को हम क्या बोलते हैं? URL. Question number 18 is the rows of the table in a relationship are known as. So इनको बोला जाता है tuple. So option number B is the correct answer. Question number 19 is which of the following is a loopback IP address? So loopback IP address आपका कौन सा है? Option number D, that is 127.0.0.1. Question number 20 is A data dash is subset of the data warehouse oriented to specific business line. So it is known as the data mart. So option number A is the correct answer. That is data mart. Question number 21 is IPv6 Internet Protocol version 6 is also called as dash. So इसे IPNG भी बोला जाता है. So option number C is the correct answer. इसका full form क्या है? Internet Protocol Next Generation. Question number 22 is the number of tuples or rows in a relation is known as. So इसे बोला जाता है आपका cardinality. So option number A is the correct answer. Now question number 23 is which of the following is not a protocol for email? So इनमें से कौन सी आपकी जो है प्रोटोकॉल वो ईमेल प्रोटोकॉल नहीं है. दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, दैट इज ICMP, जिसका फुल फॉर्म होता है इंटरनेट कंट्रोल मैसेज प्रोटोकॉल. Question number 24 is which of the following is not a component of a database? So here answer is option number D, that is reports are not the component of the database. Okay. Question number 25 is in database DBMS data is arranged in a rows and columns. This arrangement is known as. So इसे बोला जाता है relation या फिर table. So relation और table एक ही चीज है. Okay, confuse मत होइएगा. Question number 26 is what does R stands for in RDBMS? So R stands for the relational. So option number C is the correct answer. Full form क्या होता है RDBMS का? तो that is relational database management system. Question number 27 is which of the following is not an extension of a web page? So बहुत easy है. Here answer is option number D, that is MDB. MDB बेसिकली आपका ये माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस का आपका एक्सटेंशन होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 इज इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टोपोलॉजी ईच ऑफ द नेटवर्क नोड कंप्यूटर एंड अदर डिवाइसेस आर इंटरकनेक्टेड विद वन अनदर. सो इट इज डन इन द मेश टोपोलॉजी. सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Question number 29 is the column of the tables in the relationship are known as. So इन्हें बोला जाता है आपका attribute. So option number C is the correct answer. Question number 30 is in IPv4, that is Internet Protocol version 4, every IP address comes with a corresponding dash. So every IP address comes with this subnet mask. So option number B is the correct answer. Question number 31 is the practice of examining large pre-existing databases in order to generate new information is known as. So इसे बोला जाता है आपका data mining. So option number A is the correct answer कि बहुत सारे data में से आपको थोड़ा बहुत data जो आपका काम का है वो लेना है. Question number 32 is to access a website which of the following is not required. So आपको वेबसाइट एक्सेस करने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए? ब्राउजर होना चाहिए, इंटरनेट कनेक्शन होना चाहिए, इंटरनेट डिवाइस होना चाहिए. सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दैट इज डेटा केबल आपको नहीं चाहिए. Question number 33 is IPv4 addresses are dash bit hexadecimal number. So they are 32-bit hexadecimal numbers. So option number A is the correct answer. And 128 bits कौन सा होता है आपका? IPv6. Question number 34 is which of the following is not a level of database implementation? So here answer is option number C. कौन सा है? That is relational data level. Relational level, sorry. Question number 35 is what does C stands for in W3C? So this is known as the consortium. So option number A is the correct answer, that is World Wide Web Consortium. Question number 36 is which of the following is not a database model? So इनमें से कौन सा database model नहीं है? So option number D is the correct answer. Hierarchical वाला आपका है, relational model भी आपका है, ठीक है, network model भी आपका है. So कौन सा नहीं है? That is dish model. So option number D is the correct answer. Question number 37 is which of the following version is successor of IPv4? So answer आप सभी को पता है, option number B, that is IPv6. Question number 38 is dash is a network technology that creates a secure network connection over a public network. So कौन सा secure connection बनाता है आपका? That is VPN. ये क्या होता है? This is the virtual private network. Question number 39 is what does D stands for in DHTML? So D stands for the dynamic. So option number B is the correct answer. That is DHTML stands for dynamic hypertext markup language. Question number 40 is a dash is a vast pool of raw data that purpose for which is not yet defined. So इसे बोला जाता है data lake. So option number D is the correct answer. Now question number 41 is a virtual table in DBMS is known as. So जो virtual table होता है उसे हम बोलते हैं view. So option number B is the correct answer. Question number 42 is IPv6 is written in dash. So IPv6 जो है it is written in the hexadecimal. So option number C is the correct answer. Question number 43 is PDF stands for. So PDF की full form क्या होती है? That is portable document format. So option number B is the correct answer. Question number 44 is indexes created from a sequential set of primary keys are referred to as dash. So it is known as index sequential. So option number C is the correct answer. Now question number 45 is purpose of primary key in a database is to dash. So क्या होता है primary key का purpose? That is कि relationship बनाना between two tables. So option number A is the correct answer. Question number 46 is dash is example of a toggle key. So here answer is option number D, that is caps lock. इसके अलावा हमारे पास 3 और toggle key होती हैं कीबोर्ड में. कौन कौन सी होती हैं? Insert, scroll lock and num lock. These तो total हमारे पास 4 different toggle keys होती हैं in our keyboard. Question 47 is what is the full form of SQL? बहुत easy है, structured query language. So option number B is the correct answer. Question 48 is what is the possible reason for having black lines show up on the printers? So आपने देखा होगा कभी कभार जब प्रिंट आउट निकलते हैं तो उसमें क्या आती है, ब्लैक लाइंस आपको देखने को मिलती हैं. तो उसका रीजन क्या होता है कि जो उसका रोलर है वो डैमेज हो गया है. ठीक है, सो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 49 इज कंट्रोल प्लस क्यू इज यूज टू. सो जो आपका शॉर्टकट की है कंट्रोल प्लस क्यू, ये आप वर्ड में यूज करते हो, राइट? किस चीज के लिए यूज होती है? ताकि आप जो पैराग्राफ की फॉर्मेटिंग है वो आप रिमूव कर सको. तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, दैट इज टू रिमूव पैराग्राफ फॉर्मेटिंग. Question number 50 is background color or effects applied on a document is not visible in dash. So ये visible कहाँ नहीं होता? Print preview में. So option number B is the correct answer. So I hope आपको हमारा जो ये लेक्चर है वो पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपके कुछ सजेशन है तो हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइए, या आप हमें मेल कर सकते हैं benchmarkstudy007@gmail.com पे. तो गाइज मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड हैव अ नाइस डे, और अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करिए. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर प्रिपरेशंस.